Hey there, Math Aces, and welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to answer this question here. And it says, if you buy 3 pounds of apples for $6, what is the cost per pound? The most important part of this problem is the end part of the question right here, where it says cost per pound. Because when it's worded like that, it's telling you that what you're trying to find is a rate. And even though this is really important, the most important word out of these three is the word per. And the reason why that word per is so important is because it tells you the separate parts of the rate. The word before per is the top of the rate, and the word after the word per is the bottom of the rate. And even further than that, because they say per pound and not per some number of pounds, they're asking you for something called the unit rate. And because they're asking you for a unit rate, that means they want to know what the cost is for every 1 pound. Now let's take a look back at the other information that they gave us. We were also told that the cost is $6 for every 3 pounds of apples. Since that's the case, we know that the rate setup is going to be cost per pound. That means money is going to go on top and pounds will go on the bottom. So we can write this rate, $6 for every 3 pounds, like this. $6 will go on top. Then we'll put our fraction line. And then 3 pounds will go in the bottom. So now that we have a rate of $6 for every 3 pounds, the next thing we need to do is turn it into a unit rate. In order to do that, we've got to divide by whatever the bottom of the rate is. Since the bottom of the rate is 3, we're going to divide the top of the rate and the bottom of the rate by the value 3. So we'll divide by 3 on the top and the bottom by 3. So what's 6 divided by 3? Well, that equals 2. So we'll put the dollar sign because we're talking about money in the top of the rate. That's $2. Then we'll put our fraction line. And then we'll do the bottom, which is 3 divided by 3. And that just gives us 1 pound. So now we've got our unit rate. And the best thing to do is to make sure that we can put it in a complete sentence. Because it's $2 for every 1 pound, we could also read it as $2 per pound. And finally, to completely answer this question, we'll say the cost per pound of apples is $2 per pound. And there you have it, Math Aces. We have our notes, we have all of our work done, and we have our final answer in a complete sentence. It's everything that you'll need. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.